filming?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Just haven't my team though.
I hope it's hot enough today. Yummy.
Like the other one would.
It can be hotter. Like, I think it's because I really like my food boiling hot. It's not as... I microwaved it 3 times, like during my meal. Yeah. So I'm gonna take a 20-minute nap and we're setting up a bed. This is gonna be my blanket. I'm just gonna move this one. Have a little nap. I think this is enough. Maybe put your head on this side because the light is already directly on your head. True, I'll do this side. Waking up at 11:35. Good night. Good night.
A few moments later.
Oh. I think I drooled. Oh. Okay. I actually think that makes me feel better.
You fall asleep really quickly, eh?
Oh, I was like half asleep, half awake. But it was like good enough for me so that I can get a quick break. Oh my gosh. Ruby and I are the last ones here at the moment, like always. Hey guys, it's just been quite a while since I've turned on my camera, but I decided that I would do like a quick update because it's been so long since I've talked on the camera. I think I've just been so busy filming what I've been sewing and pattern making. I just haven't had the energy to really talk. Basically, we have 3 weeks, I think 3 to 4 weeks left of my last semester of uni. I'm still quite behind on my progress of my collection. I have done 3 looks. They're also, not everything's finished on each look. I have another 2 looks to go. Today I'm just running a few errands before I go into studio. Just dropping off my Depop order, and then I have to go look for some fabric for my 4th look.
How much would you like?
Can I just get 10 meters of that?
10?
Yes.
No problem. So 97.40.
Yeah.
There you are.
Cheers, thank you. I clearly ordered a white zip, but they sent me black. Oh my gosh, amazing. Love that for me. Hi, I'm just calling because I received my package today, but I was just sent the wrong color zip. So, looks like I can't finish my jacket this week. Gosh, scared me.
I ripped up my dress.
How'd you rip it?
I unpick it and then...
Ah!
Oh my gosh, should I
Why are
go
you
home?
unpicking with a snip? Ruby.
Oh!
Is it gonna be hard to fix?
I just cut out another layer because I already sewing all the seams.
You know what? I would just say just roll with it.
Maybe I should make more holes. It's fine, it's okay, I don't care. I'll just keep going.
Just keep going.
Yeah, we really don't have time. Oh, I need to wake up. I need to sleep early and then at the same time I didn't do anything today. Or you can just give me another.
Oh, I'm not done yet. We are leaving at 1:13 a.m. Not bad. Oh my gosh, my makeup.
가자. 왜요?
아는 감독님 내려오셔.